Hello everyone and welcome to this Blender tutorial series. Today we are diving right into the exciting world of Blender's Python API, a powerful tool for automating tasks and bringing your 3D ideas to life in new ways. In this tutorial we will learn how to create, delete, transform objects using Python in Blender. This is a fantastic starting point for anyone interested in combining coding with a 3D model. First, let's open Blender. Okay, so let me just open a new window and let's just see here at the top right there is scripting, and this is a scripting page and we will just create a new script. Okay, so here we will write the script. So basically I have opened it already and I have a script, so I'll just explain it here. Blender's uses Python, and Blender's Python API allows us to interact with the software programmatically. Here's how basic command structure works. We have to start with the BPI. BPI is used to access Blender's functionalities, followed by ops for operation, and then we can specify the action and the object type that we want. So let's add a cube. So let me just uncomment this. As you can see, it is bpy ops mesh dot primitive underscore cube underscore add. And first, let me just clear out the screen. And for and I'll rename this command as mycube for easy reference. Okay, so let me just execute the script. As you can see, we have a cube here. Now let me just place my cursor over here and let's just create a sphere and a cone. I'll just comment out this line again. Let's just add a sphere and a cone at this place. Okay, let me just execute it. The structure is almost same. We are just adding a different function after the mesh. Here we are adding primitive cone add, and here we have primitive underscore UV underscore sphere underscore add. Okay, so we have two other things. Now, since we have named the object myCube, we can use it to delete it as well. So let me just comment out this. And this is first we will select the myCube as the object and make sure no other object is selected, or else it will get deleted as well. And let's just uncomment this delete object command. And as you can see, it is bpy dot operation dot object dot delete. So let me just execute. As you can see, the cube is deleted. Remember that the naming should be accurate. So basically, if my m is small, it won't delete. So it is very crucial and precise. So now let me just delete these two objects as well and add the cube again and just comment out the delete part. So let me just execute since a cube is added. Now I'll just try to move the cube. Okay, so we can address its location in the 3D space by modifying its coordinate. Watch as I move it along the x and y axis. So in this, as you can see, this is the command. It is bpy.data.object mycube dot location, and we are just giving the coordinates in xy direction. Z is 0. So as I execute it, okay, we have added another object. Let me just comment this out. Yeah, it's executed once. Just we added the object again. I'll just comment out this, and for a moment I'll just and see move. Okay. So now let's try and rotate the cube. I'll just comment this out again and see this is the command for rotation, that is tqi rotator dot object my cube dot rotation dot euler, and basically we are rotating it around the x-axis at 45 degrees. So when I execute it, it will rotate. Similarly, we can do the scaling as well. So scaling we will do in x, y, and z direction. Scaling alters the size of our object. We can uniformly scale it like I am doing now, or scale it differently along individual axes. Okay, so it's scaled. We- So we have learned some basics of manipulating object with Python and Blender. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.